Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest in beauty reviews with an expert's touch. If you're someone who's constantly searching for that perfect pop of color for your eyes, today's review might just introduce you to your next favorite product. We're talking about the Stila Stay All Day Muted Neon Liquid Eyeliner in the stunning shade of Lavender Fields. This liquid eyeliner promises bold, long-lasting color with a smooth, matte finish. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. First off, the Stila Stay All Day Muted Neon Liquid Eyeliner comes in a gel form that promises to glide effortlessly across the eyelid. Its special feature is that it's cruelty-free, which is always a win for anyone mindful of animal testing. But the real question is, how does it perform in real-world testing? I've been wearing this eyeliner for a few days now, and I'm excited to share my thoughts. The lavender color is definitely on the bolder side, so it's perfect for anyone who loves to experiment with different shades. It's a beautiful matte finish, which is a nice departure from the usual glossy eyeliners we see. What stands out immediately is the formulation. It's smooth, easy to apply, and dries down quickly without smudging, making it great for those who need something that can hold up through a busy day. In terms of wear, I've been impressed. I wore it from morning to evening, and by the end of the day, the eyeliner still looked fresh. There's no fading or smearing, which is fantastic for an eyeliner that promises stay-all-day performance. For anyone who has oily eyelids like mine, this liner holds up incredibly well. When it comes to texture, it's gel-based, which means you get a much smoother application than traditional liquid liners. The applicator is thin, making it great for both precision work and creating bolder looks if you're after something more dramatic. However, I did find that it took a little time to dry down completely, so you'll need to be cautious for the first few seconds after application to avoid transfer. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: the color payoff is vibrant and bold, but still wearable for everyday looks. Long-lasting performance that truly holds up throughout the day. Matte finish, which is fantastic for anyone who's not a fan of glossy eye makeup. Easy application with a smooth gel texture that glides without tugging. Cons: the drying time could be a bit faster. While it's not a deal breaker, it's something to note if you're in a rush. The lavender shade might not be everyone's cup of tea. It's certainly a statement color, so it may not be as versatile as traditional black or brown liners. When it comes to value for money, this eyeliner sits in the mid-range price category. Given its long-lasting formula, easy application, and cruelty-free status, I would say it's a decent investment for anyone looking to add a splash of color to their eye makeup routine. If you're not ready to splurge on this one, there are a few alternatives out there, like Maybelline's Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner or NYX's Professional Makeup Vivid Brights Liner. Both offer bold colors and smooth application at a more affordable price point. But for the performance and unique shade this Stila liner provides, it's hard to beat. As for the packaging, it's sleek and minimalistic. The small, slender tube fits easily in your makeup bag, and the product itself dispenses well without too much wastage. The gel formula doesn't dry out in the tube quickly, which is a definite plus. Now, is it a product worth purchasing? I think it's perfect for someone who's looking for a unique eyeliner color that offers both vibrant payoff and long-lasting wear. It's especially ideal for those who want to add a touch of color to their usual look without sacrificing performance. But if you're more of a neutral liner person, this might not be a go-to for you every day. If you're already using this eyeliner, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let me know how it's worked for you. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you can stay updated on our future reviews. Your support helps us continue bringing you honest, expert-level insights like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out.